Don't just shine, refine. Refined by DiamondShine, a revolutionary advancement in car wash chemistry. Refined means developed or improved to be precise, elevated in appearance and performance, and impurities or unwanted elements removed by processing. Refined by DiamondShine does exactly what its name suggests. It's been precisely developed to dramatically improve performance. It cleans, dries, shines, and protects like no other. What makes Refined different? Science-based research and meticulous product development to create the industry's best formulas. Extensive testing and development to ensure optimal performance. Utilizing customer feedback to deliver exactly what you want and need. And a complete, cohesive end-to-end system. Refined products are developed to truly work together. Each one enhances the effectiveness of the next. Refined's performance speaks for itself. Refined Wheel Cleaner removes 70% more grime and buildup. Refined Triple Foam's colors are 50% more vibrant without staining or rinsing issues. Refined Pre-Soak has 50% more hard water tolerance. It performs in hard water without sacrificing foam or coverage. Those are just a few of the key performance metrics that prove the power of Refined. Visit our website for complete details. Ready to refine your wash's performance? Make the switch to Refined and clean, dry, shine, and protect like never before. Let Refined's carefully engineered precision and end-to-end effectiveness elevate your wash's performance. Contact us to get Refined today.